Hello everyone and welcome to Final IT. In today's video we're going to be looking at installing Windows Server 2019, which is the latest in the Microsoft Server OS lineup. It fully integrates with the older versions of Server if you already have an existing domain, but it's also a great thing to start out a new domain on. Some good videos to watch before this one would be our video on creating a bootable USB drive with Rufus, or our video on installing VMware Workstation. Links to these videos can be found in the description. Now you'll need to go to the evaluation website to download the ISO, and you'll fill out a few details, but then it'll give you that download. Once you have that and you've created your boot media, we can start with the installer. So we've already got that downloaded. We've loaded it up on a virtual machine in our case, and we're going to go ahead and boot that on. You will need to hit any key to boot into the setup media. Once we make it into the setup, we'll be able to select the language and then hit next, and then install now. After that, we'll select the version of the Microsoft Server 2019 ISO that we want to use. In our case, we're going to use the 2019 Standard Evaluation Desktop Experience. We can also do the data center, and we don't necessarily have to install the desktop if we don't want to. But we do want that in our case. Then we'll hit next. Need to accept the license terms after that. Then we hit custom install here so that we can pick a volume to install it on. In our case we only have the one, so we'll leave it on that and select next. And it's going to begin the installation for us. Once it is finished with the install, it'll perform a restart. After it's come back up from that, you'll then be prompted to pick an administrator password. We'll go ahead and use the default password we use for our channel videos. And once it's finalized those settings, we'll be able to log in with that account we have just set up, or the password we just set up. You'll be at the Windows Server desktop you just created. Thanks for watching everyone. That's all for today's video. Like, subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments.